Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair here. Just checking in, kind of a mid-repair here on the door of this 2020 Ram pickup that we're fixing. So, as you can see, obviously, the door is removed. We're still working on it from yesterday, actually. This was a pretty big damage repair that we're actually doing here. Got about a little over halfway done with it last night. Worked till about... way too late, about 11:30 last night. Anyways, just kind of wanted to flip the camera around here and show you a little bit as far as how the repair is looking. So if you were checking in on our repairs as of yesterday, there was a big, long kind of double crease running along through here. So we're not quite finished up yet, but I just wanted to kind of show you as far as how the repairs look like when they're about midway through. So this damage is looking extremely very, very good. Still working a little bit on this edge here and whatnot, and a lot of times people will ask, well, how do you go about getting edges where you can't get a tool physically on it? Well, that's where this little guy comes in here. This is called the Fender Pliers from Anson and B&D Tools. So Anson PDR is actually a tool distributor, but B&D actually makes this. So it's got, basically what it is you squeeze it literally like a pliers. And what you do is you put it up, put the rubber feet on there like this, like so. You actually squeeze and it pushes through the bottom part of the skin up into the center, or up through the top in to create, to fix panels that have damage in a pinched edge like this, where you can't physically get a tool in between the inner and outer skin. That's how we're actually able to do that, to fix damage like that. So that kind of just shows you as far as a breakdown, as far as what we're working on. Still working on the other side over here. It's got some severe scratching and stuff like that from the impact. And then we're trying to clean up what was originally here was a another dent repair guy had tried to do a repair in here and really just peppered this whole area up. Just really made a lot more work for us, unfortunately. But we're going to basically do what we can to go ahead and clean up that that repair area there the best we can. The customer knows it's not going to come out perfect. It had already been the kind of the paint finish had already been compromised a little. We ended up finding out actually after we started, it had a little micro crack, and then we apply heat throughout the entire repair process on something that's this deep. Well, what ends up happening is if the damage is if it's already got a minor crack in the paint finish adhesion is already compromised. So then you run into problems with it potentially cracking slightly more. It's got just a little itty bitty of a hairline crack still in it that we're not going to be able to fix because it was already previously damaged. But we've got multiple ways to go about combating that and fixing that and making it the best we can without having to actually go through and repaint the whole door. Actually, for this vehicle, with it being the high metallic, you'd have to actually paint the front door and this cab corner here down through the rocker and then all the way up and over the roof rail, all the way up to this fender part here, as well as take the box and the rear bumper off and move this assembly back so that you can paint the back edge of this cab corner, because you actually have to paint back up where this window is. You can't physically spray paint in there, plus there's a gasket even on the new models here. So you can't get paint in there. This box assembly actually has to be taken off and removed and slid back, or completely removed altogether. So anyways, if you need any dent repair, any types of dent repairs, any types of touch-up paint, scratch repair, anything like that, feel free to go ahead and give us a call. Phone number here, 605-250-1023. You can visit us on our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. And also we've got, you can actually message us through all the social media platforms here, being Instagram. We'd be happy to chat with you about any types of your repair needs, and we'll go from there. Anyways, you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.